So in this video I am diagnosing my alarm. It just stopped working all of a sudden, and I tested this little motor right here. Yeah, and it works and everything, so I was thinking that it has to be along this wire that goes through the whole door into this relay. And we were testing this relay, and when you would press the unlock button, it would click. But I remember in class, in lecture, Reels was talking about even if it clicks, it may not even work. So we went farther in diagnosing, and we tested this relay, and the relay here, the 85 and the 88 power. You can see here has the switches. The switch is right here, and this is power at all times. And we diagnosed this with the power probe, and it seemed like it was working good. So, and then I saw that there was this ground here that was loose, and I tightened it, and it seemed like that did the job. So now it's working.